There are tons of different business credit cards out there that you can utilize to start earning more rewards on the daily purchases you make within your business. But the question is, what card gets you the most bang for your buck, so to say? Many people like to talk about cashback rewards cards that they utilize to make purchases within their business because it's literally free money. And while this is true, the most important thing to consider when you're doing this is which cards can you utilize to get the most cash back and get the most rewards for the specific purchases that you're making within your business. In this video, we're going to be reviewing a cashback card that has a ton of benefits and, in my opinion, might be one of the best cards to utilize in getting the most cash back per purchase that you make. And this card is none other than the Capital One Spark Cash Plus credit card. In this video, we'll be breaking down all the different features of this card, from the rewards multipliers to the benefits, the sign-on bonus, and a host of other features. Make sure you watch to the very end of this video so that way you know exactly whether or not this card is right for you. But before we do that though, if you guys are interested in getting started with this card, head down to the link down in the description below and get signed up with this card. When you click that link, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this, where you can simply click the Learn How to Apply button, and then you'll have to fill out a couple of pieces of personal information and you can get started with this card as soon as possible. But without further ado, let's get into the details about this card. Now, the Capital One Spark Cash Plus business card is just that, a business card, meaning that the purchases that you make on this card are going to be for your business. This is great considering that most businesses have extraordinarily high monthly fees and monthly expenses that they have to deal with. The reason this is great is that if you're already spending money on a monthly basis on different expenses and fees in your business, you might as well get paid for it too. But let's start getting into the details and the features of this card. We'll start with the sign-on bonus. For the sign-up bonus for this card, you'll get $1,200 in cash back as long as you spend $30,000 in the first 3 months of having this card. Now, many of you watching this video might think that $30,000 in spend for the first 3 months is quite significant. And I would happen to agree with you if this wasn't a business card. For most business owners who have exorbitant expenses on a monthly basis, you have to consider that they're also probably making a lot of money too. Considering all this, it's pretty reasonable to assume and believe that most business owners can spend anywhere of upwards to $20,000 to $30,000 to even $40,000 a month in expenses. That being said, if you're already spending that on a monthly basis within your business, why not get this card and take advantage of the $1,200 cash back? It's free money on top of expenses that you would have paid otherwise, and you're getting just a bit more rewards out of the money that you're already spending. Now let's talk cash back, because that is the main feature of this credit card. When it comes to cash back, this card has a 2% flat rate cash back on every single purchase that you make. This is pretty significant given that other credit cards within the same category of cash back cards offer 2 to 2.5% cash back, but only on rotating categories, meaning that they're not going to be consistently earning you the amount of rewards that this card will earn you with just a flat 2% back on every single purchase. That being said, this is a great card for any and all daily purchases that you make within your business, whether it's advertising campaigns, expenses, startup costs, and a host of other fees. One of the other big benefits about this specific card is that it has no preset spending limit, meaning that as much money as you'd like to spend on this card within reason of your credit score and how much the actual banking firm will allow you to spend, you can spend. Keep in mind, you can't just go crazy and spend $100,000 in one day. It just depends on how much your overall banking statements are worth and how much you're going to build that credit history with this specific brokerage for the specific card. That being said, it does offer you just that much more flexibility with no capped spending limit. One of the things you do need to note though is that this card does require your balance to be paid in full at the end of every single month, meaning that you need to stay on top of your credit card transactions and be aware of how much of a balance you're carrying. If you're looking for payment flexibility, this might not be the option for you. Now, do keep in mind that this card does have a $150 annual fee, meaning that for every year that you own this card, you will have to pay $150 in that membership fee. Now, despite this, also keep in mind that there is a $150,000 minimum that as long as you spend that much on the card within a given year, you'll get that $150 refunded to you at no extra cost. Once again, this might seem like a lot of money to have to spend to only get $150 refunded to you, but like we all know, many business owners are spending lots of money to begin with on a monthly basis. It would not surprise me that many business owners who already own this card are spending upwards of $150,000, meaning that this $150 annual fee is pretty much a no-brainer. Now, one of the more subtle aspects of this specific credit card is that with the cashback option, you can actually convert that cashback into Capital One miles. By doing this, you can essentially have that cashback option converted into Capital One miles that turn into into actual points that you can utilize in your travel. You can pay for all different kinds of things like flights, hotels, and even rental cars. Another interesting factor about this card is that it actually allows you to have employee cards that can utilize it within your business. Also allowing you to have customizable spending limits on each employee card, meaning that if there's an employee that doesn't spend as much money every month, you can lower their overall limit and raise the limit of other employees that spend more money. There's also a great feature that this card has where you have zero liability for unauthorized charges on this credit card, meaning that if this credit card gets stolen from you or it's used irresponsibly or not as you intended it to be, you have zero liability for those extra charges that are incurred, giving you that extra layer of protection that you want when you're using credit cards, especially if fraud does end up taking place. The Spark Cash Plus also has zero foreign transaction fees, meaning that when you're traveling, it's just that much easier to make purchases without having to worry about those pesky fees. The Spark Cash Plus also claims to have an entire monitoring system to make sure that no fraud is happening on your account, and when it does start to happen, it will notify you immediately to curb that action. You'll also get your cash back rate increased on specific bookings for Capital One travel partners and a host of Capital One purchases, adding even more cashback earning opportunity to simple purchases that you would have already been making. Now, when it comes to this card, in my opinion, this is an excellent card for earning cashback rewards. Given that 2% flat rate, this is a just great deal if you are a business owner with a lot of monthly expenses every month. And to top it all off with that $1,200 sign-on bonus, you can't really beat that with most other cards not offering anywhere close to that offering. This is a very situational specific card. What I mean by that is that this card is very specifically designed for people in specific business situations. Not every single business owner is going to find value with this card, and that's okay. This card is clearly designed for business owners with very high monthly expenses who want to get a little bit of extra cash back on those expenses, as well as business owners who have a lot of employees who need them to have spending accounts and credit card accounts in order to make purchases in the name of the company. Overall, I do think that this is a great card to utilize within your business, and I really recommend checking it out with the link down in the description below. If you guys want to check this card out and maybe even get matched up with the perfect credit card for your specific situation, you can check out our CardMatch offer that we have down in the description below as well. With our CardMatch offer, you'll be asked to take a quick survey, and then we'll then match you to the perfect credit card for your specific financial needs. This is a great way to get access to different credit cards that you may not have known existed. Again, all this will be linked down in the description below. Also remember, any of the numbers, rates, and rewards that we talk about in this video are subject to change at any time, and at the time of this video, they are currently accurate but could change in the future. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you guys never miss new videos that we post like this. Make sure to check out some of our other videos on this channel, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.